Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change Gmail profile picture from PC. You can see over here right now the profile picture of my Gmail looks like this. So if you want to change it, you'll have to change the profile picture of your Google account. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here you'll be able to find your profile picture. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to see your account over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for manage your Google account. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the Google account interface. At left, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like home, personal info, data and privacy, security, etc. Simply click on the option personal info that you can see at second. Now you'll be led to the personal info interface. You'll be able to access the personal information over here. You'll be able to find the informations like basic info, contact info, etc. In the section for basic info, you'll be able to find the options like profile picture, name, birthday, gender. What you have to do is simply look at the field of profile picture. You'll be able to see the profile picture that is selected right now. So what you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the profile picture. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, change, remove. If you want to remove the profile picture, simply click on the option remove. But if you want to change it, click on the option change. Now you'll be able to see various photos over here. You'll be able to see the options for illustrations, Google Photos from computer. So simply click on the option of your choice. For example, if you want to upload the photo from your computer, click on the option from computer and you'll be able to access the photos of your computer. You can simply click on the photo of your choice and that photo will be uploaded. Here I'm just going to upload the photo from right over here. So simply click on the photo that you want to use. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the presets over here. Also, you'll be able to crop the photo if you want. Also, you'll be able to find the options for suggestions, color, crop and rotate. You can edit the photo according to your choice. After you're done, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see your new profile picture over here. You can see the message. It could take a day or two to see the change across all your Google services. So simply click on the option save as profile picture. Now wait for a while. Now your profile picture has been updated. You can simply go back. Now if you open the Gmail, you can see over here your profile picture will be changed. So that is how you change Gmail profile picture from PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.